Hello, welcome to our English class online. I am teacher Airene, and for today's lesson, we will learn about sports, okay? The vocabulary words. But we have two questions to be asked and answered. Okay, number one, what sport can you play? What sport can you play? Okay, for me, I can play, for example, badminton. I can play badminton. All right. Number two question. Can you play table tennis? Or you can add here the sports, name of sports. Can you play table tennis? For me, yes, I can. How about this one? Can you play football? Mm, mm-mm-mm. No, I can't. All right. So number one, vocabulary words, we have gymnastic, gymnastic, trampolining, trampolining, swimming, swimming, table tennis, archery, surfing, football, basketball, tennis, bowling, skateboarding, kayaking, skiing, yoga, running, baseball, ice skating, rugby. Okay, so I'm going to ask you to write in your notebook the vocabulary words and please answer the question. Write the question and then answer it, okay? Um, and then I will share to you or I will send to you the worksheet and the Google form link in our group chat. So please answer them and then send it to your or add to your album, okay? So thank you so much. God bless you. Stay safe. Thank you for listening and watching. See you again next time, okay? Wow. Bye.